This morning routine will change your life. Number 1. Start your day by waking up early. Do not rush. Sit quietly for a few minutes and take deep breaths. This helps your mind feel calm and fresh. Number 2. Drink a glass of water after waking up. Your body needs water after sleep. It gives you energy and helps you feel more active. Number 3. Move your body a little. You can stretch, walk, or do light exercise. This wakes up your muscles and makes you feel ready for the day. Number 4. Take a few minutes to plan your day. Think about what you want to do. Keep it simple. This helps you stay focused and not feel confused. Number 5. Do something positive in the morning. You can read, listen to calm music, or think about your goals. Starting your day this way makes you feel happy and confident. Number 6. Avoid checking your phone right after waking up. Give yourself some quiet time first. This helps your mind stay peaceful and focused. Number 7. Open a window or step outside for fresh air. Natural light helps your body wake up and improves your mood. Number 8. Eat a simple and healthy breakfast. Choose food that gives you energy, like fruits, eggs, or whole grains. This keeps you active for longer. Number 9. Practice gratitude for a minute. Think about 2 to 3 good things in your life. This makes your mind more positive. Number 10. Keep your space clean. Make your bed or organize your room. A clean space helps you feel calm and in control. Number 11. Avoid negative thoughts in the morning. Try to focus only on good and helpful ideas. This sets a strong tone for your day. Number 12. Listen to something inspiring. It can be a short talk, calm music, or a positive message. This lifts your mood. Number 13. Set one main goal for the day. Do not try to do too many things. One clear goal helps you stay focused. Number 14. Take your time while getting ready. Do things slowly and mindfully. This reduces stress and keeps you relaxed. Number 15. Smile and start your day with confidence. A simple smile can change how you feel. Believe that today will be a good day. Number 16. Spend a few minutes in silence after you wake up. Sit comfortably and just focus on your breathing. Let your thoughts come and go without reacting to them. This simple habit helps your mind feel light and clear before the day begins. Number 17. Try to avoid rushing through your morning. When you hurry, your body feels stressed and your mind becomes messy. Move slowly, stay aware of what you are doing, and enjoy each small moment. Number 18. Drink water slowly and give your body time to wake up. Your body has been resting all night, so it needs care and attention. This small step can improve your energy and focus. Number 19. Add a short walk to your morning routine if possible. Walking in fresh air helps your body feel active and your mind feel peaceful. Even a few minutes can make a big difference. Number 20. Take time to think about your goals in life, not just daily tasks. Remind yourself why you are working hard. This gives your day a deeper purpose and keeps you motivated. Number 21. Keep your thoughts simple and positive in the morning. Do not overload your mind with too many worries. Focus only on what you can do today and leave the rest. Number 22. Give yourself a break from noise. Avoid loud sounds or too much information early in the day. A calm start helps you stay balanced and relaxed. Number 23. Prepare yourself mentally for challenges. Tell yourself that you can handle anything that comes your way. This builds confidence and strength from the start. Number 24. Do one small productive task early in the morning. It can be anything simple. Completing it gives you a sense of achievement and builds momentum for the day. Number 25. End your morning routine with a positive mindset. Remind yourself that every new day is a fresh start. Stay calm, stay focused, and believe that you can make today better than yesterday. Number 26. Start your morning by waking up gently and giving yourself a few quiet moments. Do not rush to get out of bed. Sit calmly, stretch your body, and take slow, deep breaths. This helps your mind and body adjust naturally. A peaceful start like this can reduce stress and improve your focus. When you begin your day slowly, you feel more in control and less overwhelmed. It also allows you to notice how you feel and prepare yourself mentally. This simple habit can make your entire day smoother, calmer, and more balanced. Number 27. Take time to think positive thoughts as soon as you wake up. Your mind is fresh, and it easily accepts what you focus on. Instead of worrying about problems, remind yourself of your strengths and opportunities. Tell yourself that you can handle the day with confidence. This builds a strong and healthy mindset. Positive thinking in the morning helps you stay calm during challenges. It also improves your mood and energy. Over time, this habit trains your brain to focus on solutions instead of problems, making your daily life more peaceful. Number 28. Create a simple routine that you can follow every morning. It does not need to be complicated. Just include a few helpful habits like drinking water, stretching, and planning your day. A routine gives structure to your morning and helps you stay organized. When you know what to do next, you waste less time and energy. This also reduces confusion and stress. A consistent routine makes your mornings feel easier and more natural. It helps you stay disciplined and focused, which can improve your productivity and overall lifestyle. Number 29. Try to spend a few minutes in silence without any distractions. Sit comfortably and focus only on your breathing. This helps clear your mind and reduces overthinking. Silence allows you to understand your thoughts better. It also gives your brain a break from noise and information. When your mind is calm, you can think more clearly and make better decisions. This habit may feel difficult at first, but it becomes easier with practice. A quiet moment every morning can improve your mental clarity and emotional balance throughout the day. Number 30. Move your body in a gentle way to wake yourself up. You can stretch, do light exercise, or take a short walk. Physical movement increases blood flow and helps you feel more energetic. It also improves your mood and reduces stress. You do not need a long workout. Even a few minutes can help. This habit prepares your body for the day ahead. It also makes you feel more active and ready to handle tasks. Starting your morning with movement can improve both your physical and mental health over time.